How to contact Shopify support. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss contacting Shopify and how to get a hold of them. So to begin with, you're just going to go to this website right here, which is help.shopify.com. Now, once you're in here, you're just going to be met with the AI agent, which is pretty much just going to help you with whatever you want in here. And you can just go and type in the search bar whatever you want, and it's going to try to help you as much as it can. And then you can just scroll down to even find more topics here that are covered or frequently asked, and you can just check them out and see if there's anything here to help you with. If these don't really work for you and you really just want to get a hold of them, in that case you're just going to click on login from the top right corner, and you're just going to log in with your account. And once you do that, you simply just want to go back here, click on chat with a human, which you should be able to find at the bottom right. And if you didn't already, it's going to prompt you to actually log in. Now, you also have the option that you can say, I can't access my account. And you're just, if it's hacked, for example, you can just use this option right here, click on that. And then again, I believe AI is going to, ask you a few things. Just ask it to speak with a human, keep ignoring it, and you're going to find the option to get that. So yeah, this is pretty much how to contact Shopify support. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.